Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. In C++, operator overloading allows you to define custom behavior for operators, like plus, dash, asterisk, and also the assignment operator equals, for user-defined types, like classes. Overloading the assignment operator is particularly useful when you want to manage resources like dynamic memory allocations within your class. The default assignment operator performs a shallow copy, which may lead to issues like double deletions or memory leaks if not handled correctly. Steps to overload the assignment operator. 1. Declare the operator function. The operator function should be a member function of the class. It should return a reference to the current object. 2. Check for self-assignment. Before proceeding with the assignment, check if the object is being assigned to itself. 3. Release existing resources. If your class manages resources, you need to free them before assigning new values. 4. Copy data. Finally, copy the data from the source object to the current object. 5. Return this. This allows for chaining assignments. Example code. Here's an example of a simple class that manages a dynamic array and overloads the assignment operator. Explanation of the code. 1. Constructor allocates memory for the string and copies the input string into the newly allocated space. 2. Copy constructor, used to create a new object as a copy of an existing object, ensuring a deep copy. 3. Destructor, cleans up allocated memory when an object is destroyed. 4. Overloaded assignment operator. Checks for self-assignment by comparing the address of the current object, this, with that of other. Deletes the existing data to prevent memory leaks. Allocates new memory and copies the data from other. Returns asterisk this to allow for chaining. 5. Display method, a utility method to print the string to the console. Conclusion. Overloading the assignment operator is essential when dealing with dynamic memory in C++. This ensures that objects can be assigned to each other safely and correctly, avoiding common pitfalls such as memory leaks and double deletions. Always remember to check for self-assignment and manage memory carefully to maintain the integrity of your objects. Overloading the assignment operator in C++ allows you to define custom behavior for the assignment operation, equals, when dealing with objects of a class. This can be particularly useful when your class manages resources such as dynamic memory. Why overload the assignment operator? When you assign one object to another, the default behavior provided by the compiler performs a shallow copy. This means it copies the values of the member variables directly. If your class allocates memory, this can lead to issues such as double deletion, when two objects try to free the same memory, or memory leaks. Overloading the assignment operator allows you to implement deep copying, ensuring that each object manages its own copy of the resources. Basic syntax. To overload the assignment operator, you define a member function in your class with the following signature. Implementation steps. 1. Check for self-assignment asterisk if the object being assigned is the same as the object being assigned to, you should handle this case to avoid unnecessary work or errors. 2. Release existing resources asterisk if your class manages resources, example dynamically allocated memory, you need to release those resources before taking ownership of the new resources. 3. Copy the values asterisk copy the data from the source object to the current object. 4. Return this asterisk asterisk return a reference to the current object to allow for chaining of assignment operations. Example code. Here is an example of a simple class that demonstrates how to overload the assignment operator. Explanation. Constructor asterisk the class has a constructor that allocates memory for the string and copies the content. Copy constructor asterisk this constructor is defined to handle the creation of new objects as copies of existing objects. Destructor *. The destructor releases the dynamically allocated memory when an object goes out of scope. Assignment operator *. It first checks for self-assignment. It deletes the current object's data to avoid memory leaks. It allocates new memory and copies the data from the source object. Finally, it returns a reference to * this, enabling assignment chaining. Conclusion. Overloading the assignment operator is an essential part of resource management in C++. It helps ensure that your class behaves correctly when objects are copied or assigned, preventing memory leaks and undefined behavior. Properly implementing the assignment operator is crucial for any class that manages dynamic resources.